In this rapidly growing world, we all are seeking for a better job. Distance MBA is the chosen degree when it comes to talk about higher education. As the strategy you make to enhance your skills with the ever growing knowledge, Distance MBA will do that work for you. It will make you learn while you earn. Gaining the education with the industry experience is a win win strategy you can ever make. Distance MBA has been specially designed for working professionals. Here in this podcast, we are going to provide you the best of your knowledge about the Distance MBA. Along with this, we will give all the necessary informations about the course of MBA in Distance Education. Distance MBA is a master's degree in business administration where you learn all the management skills and business skills. It is a 2-year postgraduate program that will give you specializations over a particular subject. So, before moving forward, let me clear a very important point, that is, Distance MBA is same as regular MBA. Distance MBA is now UGC DEB approved, that is University Grant Commission and Distance Education Board, which means now Distance MBA is equivalent to regular MBA. Let's have a look of some of the specializations of Distance MBA, which are MBA in Finance Management, MBA in Sales and Marketing Management, MBA in Human Resource Management, MBA in Retail Management, MBA in Operations, MBA in Supply Chain Management, and many more. Let's have some information about the course, like the fee structure of Distance MBA, that is ranges from 20,000 to 1 lakh per annum. The benefits of doing Distance MBA are numerous. It can help you in managing the time effectively in your daily lifestyle, and it helps in growing the technology. It is low cost and affordable. Options are there. It gives revised curriculum. Distance MBA program is a duly approved course that has started with the permission of UGC. So, it is a UGC DEB approved course. Regular courses are much costlier than distance courses, so it saves money, making it pocket friendly. Also, you have the advantage of taking the class anytime and anywhere, so it is flexible in nature. The admission process is simple, yet it differs from university to university. For the admission in Distance MBA, you should have completed graduation, that is, bachelor's degree from a recognized university, or if you have some work experience, then it is more preferred. Now let's have a glimpse of subjects that has been taught during the whole Distance MBA program. Some of the subjects of Distance MBA are Organizational Behavior, Business Law, Management Economics, Financial Management, Human Resource Management, Marketing Management, and other elective subjects. So the question arises that how they teach in Distance MBA. The answer is LMS panel, that is Learning Management System, where they provide live online classes, video recorded lectures, ebooks, one-to-one faculty interaction, and 30% of faculties are industry specialists. So this is how you'll be having a great learning experience without a doubt. So, picking a right university is the foremost and very crucial step to be taken. Not only the course, but the university also has to be eligible and approved. As for your placement and career, university plays a vital role. Now let us all talk about the best MBA colleges for distance learning in India, starting from IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, one of the largest open university in the world. Narsimhanji, a well-known university that offers both distance MBA and PGDM courses with result-oriented placement assistance. Chandigarh University, that is being A plus NAC accredited, Jaipur National University, Amity University, Annamalai University, LPU, SV University, JECRC, and there are many top universities listed. So, after completing the course, the preeminent step is to get the job. So, here are the career opportunities after completing distance MBA. You could be account manager, sales manager, digital marketing manager, risk manager, project manager, HR manager, financial analyst, logistics manager, operation manager, supply chain manager, and so on. And many more opportunities in both government and private sectors, and also numerous career options in abroad. So, if you still have queries regarding the course Distance MBA, that is Distance MBA valuable? So yes, Distance MBA has same value as the regular one, as it is also UGC DEB approved. Another one is CAT necessary for Distance MBA? No, it is not. And the very important question is, which MBA has the highest salary? So, my dear aspiring aspirants, you can shoot up to a salary of 30 LPA, that is 13 lakh per annum. Hoping that we have given the complete information about the course Distance MBA, and we are also available 24/7 for any of your query. Feel free to write on us.